Hello friends, how are you and your parents? Welcome to our learning point. Today we learn
the most important formula in Excel. The learning formula name is VLOOKUP. So let's start. Who's our new? Subscribe to our channel or support us. This is our database sheet. And this is our practice sheet where we try our VLOOKUP formula. Suppose we want base employee at every single column auto refill. And this can be done by VLOOKUP formula. At first we try at second column and next at other column. At first write equal sign and then write B and C. Select VLOOKUP. See the formula reference. Here at first we need to select our lookup value. Our lookup value is column A, so we select A2 columns and comma sign. Now see the formula reference here. Formula want table array. And our table array is database data. So we are selecting our whole data. Then comma sign, then see the formula reference. Formula need column index. We count our column as our look value column as 1. Next column 2. Next column 3. So our expected column employee name is 2. So we write 2. At last we write 0 and bracket close. Our formula ready. We can check. If we select employee, it auto change employee name. By this way we try formula at other columns. Finish and it worked nicely. First learn formula and any format you can use this. This formula save your time to work. Thanks for waiting.